The Grand Bhagwati presents High Life Brides, a bridal couture for every bride out there. उनके पास बहुत सुंदर कलेक्शन है, बैग्स हैं, कुछ ब्यूटीफुल ज्वेलरी है, टेम्पल ज्वेलरी है, समथिंग फॉर ऑल द ब्राइड्स आउट देयर एंड नॉट जस्ट ब्राइड्स बट साइडर्स. कुछ अगर आपके घर में स्मॉल ओकेजन फंक्शंस हैं, आपको कुर्ता सेट ऑप्शन मिल जाएंगे, आपको कुछ डिजाइनर वेयर ऑप्शन मिल जाएंगे. दिस इज ऑल हैपनिंग फॉर 3 days at the Grand Bhagwati. For more collection, swipe left. Yes, hello ma'am.
Hello.
Okay, we would love to see your collection.
So like what I'm wearing, you'll get this color option in the same pattern.
All right.
Like this also important.
Look at that. Beautiful options. I think these are going to be very good अगर आपको कोई carnival, उसमें जाना है, something for your weddings. Beautiful.
Or what I'm wearing is also good.
Yes, absolutely, absolutely. They are here all the way from Kolkata and उनके पास बहुत सुंदर टसर सिल्क के options हैं. These are all dress pieces with dupattas, pants. You will also get a lot of options in stoles. Something in beautifully handmade jewelry. बहुत सुंदर कलर options हैं. सेट में भी पूरा मांग टीका, नेकलेस, इयररिंग्स के साथ उनके पास बहुत सारे ऑप्शन हैं. बैंगल्स के भी ऑप्शन है. समथिंग लाइक दिस इन अ बकेट बैग. ये वाले स्टॉल में आपको बहुत सारे बैग्स के ऑप्शन मिल जाएंगे. आई विल शो यू फ्यू. लुक एट दैट, सच अ क्यूट बैग. समथिंग इन ऑल बीड्स. जस्ट लुक एट दैट. कुछ ऐसे अगर आपको कोटी बैग्स चाहिए तो वो भी मिल जाएंगे. Along with that, you will get a lot of options of torans as well. They are here specially from Jaipur. Just look at that. Beautiful bag options on this stall. Look at all the collection that they have. सुंदर बॉक्स बैग्स हैं, कुछ बटुआज हैं, कुछ पाउचेज हैं. वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. सबके बहुत सुंदर काम हुआ है. लुक एट दैट. वेरी प्रिटी, very beautiful. A stall for cute accessories. Look at all that. From hairbands to scrunchies. इस पर्टिकुलर स्टॉल पे आपको कुछ यूनिक चीज़ें मिल जाएंगी. From tissue paper holders to trays to envelopes. If you're looking for some beautiful boho bags, then this is the right stall. Along with that, उनके पास बहुत सुंदर designer wear shoes हैं. Look at that. Beautiful options of footwear. Along with we have beautiful kids wear इस stall पे. Girls and boys दोनों के लिए आपको options मिल जाएंगे. Look at that. Beautiful color. Look at that. Beautiful mother of pearl chokers along with some beautiful bangle options with a lot of necklace sets like that. Something in very beautiful temple jewelry. पूरा stall है उनका. Just look at that. Beautiful jewelry. Look at that. Something in set, bracelets, something in all silver. Look at that, beautiful. And then they also have this interesting potli bag. Just look at that. Wow. कुछ हाथ कड़ा में भी आपको ऑप्शन मिल जाएंगे. इयररिंग्स में भी बहुत सारे ऑप्शन हैं. Look at that. Bracelets, rings, and a lot more. Something beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful combination. Okay. All right. Then we have this. Look at the 12 and a half. 12 and a half. Beautiful. Then something like this.
Colors
on the peacock pattern. Okay. Then something what I am wearing in horse pattern. Beautiful.
Then we do have cord sets in the range of 4,500 in sale.
Okay. A brand all the way from Ludhiana, Punjab, and they have brought beautiful semi-festive, festive collection wear, जिसमें आपको चंदेरी सिल्क, मल चंदेरी, कॉटन, बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस, कलर्स, सब कुछ मिल जाएगा. Look at that. Look at that. Very pretty combinations, beautiful. Something in green, very pretty. Hello, ma'am.
Can I show this Chanderi Lucknowi like this? Simply Kayan brings all other handmade products.
Okay.
And you have a very uncommon design like this.
Look at her pants. Afghani pants हैं.
You have one more design here. Same thing she's wearing.
Look at that. Something in prints. Very beautiful. Alright.
One more design.
और एक डिजाइन है उनके पास, समथिंग इन वाइट, ब्यूटिफुल. एंड अगेन लेट मी टेल यू, दे हैव अ ह्यूज कलेक्शन, लॉट ऑफ कलर्स. समथिंग ब्यूटिफुल, एक्सक्विजिट फॉर ब्राइडल ज्वेलरी. Look at all the pieces that they have. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. They're especially here from Delhi. If you're looking for some cute funky options, then this is the right stall. उनके पास cute one pieces हैं, shirts हैं, something like this in kurtas हैं. Then they have these quad sets also in different designs, different patterns, बहुत सारे colors हैं, size options है, cowl neck में है, कुछ embroidery है, applique work, beautiful.